In this video, you'll learn how to add fields to your audience in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will customize your audience to better suit your needs. Start by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp logo and the main dashboard. This indicates you're on the correct screen. Next, locate the audience option on the left-hand menu. Click on it to access your audience management section. After clicking, you should see a list of your audiences displayed. This confirms you're in the right place to manage your audience settings. After that, find the three dots icon next to your audience name. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. Ensure that this menu appears as it contains the option you need to access audience settings. Once this appears, select Audience Settings from the drop-down menu. This action will redirect you to the Audience Settings page, where you can manage various settings related to your audience. Now, look for the Edit Audience Fields option and click on it. This will take you to a section where you can modify the fields associated with the audience. You should see existing fields listed here. Next, locate the Create a New Field button and click on it. This will prompt a new field creation interface to appear. You will be able to define the details for your new field here. After that, click on the field name section. This is where you will enter the name for your new field. Make sure to choose a name that clearly describes the information you intend to collect. Type in your desired field name in the designated area. This is a crucial step in defining how you will identify this field in your audience record. Next, click on the data type drop-down menu. This option allows you to specify what kind of data will be stored in this field. Selecting the correct data type is important for data integrity. Once you've accessed the data type options, click on Text. This selection indicates that the field will accept textual input. Confirm that the selection is highlighted before proceeding. Next, click on Merge Tag. To create a unique identifier for the field, this merge tag will be used in your email campaigns and forms to refer to the new field. Type in your merge text in the provided field. This text will serve as the variable name that you will use to reference the information collected in this field. Now click on Default Merge Tag Value. This option allows you to set a default value for the field if no data is provided by the subscriber. Type in a merge tag value that you would like to set as the default. This value will be used whenever the field is left blank by subscribers. Next, click on Required to make this field mandatory for subscribers. This ensures that the field must be filled out before a user can complete a form. After that, you will see the Required checkbox again. Click on it to confirm that this field will be a required input in your audience forms. Finally, click on the Save button to apply all of your changes. This step is essential to ensure that the new field is added to your audience setup. Once the save action is completed, a message should appear confirming that the audience field has been added. This message indicates that your new field is now successfully integrated into your audience